The moon's dust problem. Could it stop civilization in 2200? If you want to build a civilization on the moon, you don't start with rockets. You start with dust. Because lunar dust, regolith, is not like Earth dust. It's not soft. It's not rounded. It's not dirty. It's razor-sharp, glassy powder created by billions of years of micrometeorite impacts. No wind, no rain, no erosion. So the grains stay jagged, clingy, and stubborn. And here's the scary part. The moon's dust doesn't just make things messy. It attacks machines. It damages lungs. It destroys seals. It can shut down habitats if you let it in. So, could it stop civilization on the moon by 2200? Short answer. It could slow it down, hard, but it probably won't stop it. First, why lunar dust is so dangerous. Problem 1, it sticks to everything. On the moon, dust becomes electrically charged by sunlight and plasma. So it clings to suits, tools, camera lenses, everything. Problem 2, it's abrasive. Every step grinds it into gears. It scratches visors. It chews up bearings. It ruins moving parts over time. Problem 3, it's dangerous to breathe. The particles are tiny and sharp. If they get into lungs, they can irritate tissue and cause long-term inflammation. Problem 4, it breaks seals. Habitat doors, airlocks, suit joints. Dust makes sealing surfaces fail. And on the moon, a failed seal isn't a small problem. It can be fatal. Now imagine this at city scale. Thousands of people, daily vehicles, construction, mining, launches and landings. Dust isn't a side issue, it becomes the main enemy. So the moon's future depends on one question. Can we build a civilization that treats dust like an environmental hazard, the way Earth cities treat storms, floods, or extreme cold? By 2200, the answer is yes, but it requires a completely different style of lunar living. By 2200, the winning strategy won't be avoid dust. It will be build a dust-proof civilization. Here's how. 1. Keep the dust outside. Instead of bringing dusty suits into a habitat, you use suit ports, where the suit docks to the outside wall like a plug-in shell. Astronauts step directly into the suit from inside, and the dusty exterior never enters the living space. 2. Airlocks become decontamination tunnels. Not one door, multiple zones. A shake-off zone, electrostatic dust repulsion panels, air jets or vibration to knock particles loose, and vacuum extraction that traps dust in sealed filters. 3. Use electricity to move dust. Because dust becomes charged, electric fields can push it. Entrances, landing pads, and vehicle bays could use active dust shields that constantly sweep particles away from critical surfaces. 4. Pave the high traffic zones. Loose dust is the worst dust, so lunar cities will harden the ground using sintered regolith, basically heating lunar soil until it fuses into solid tiles, or melting it into glassy pavement around habitats, ports, and factories. You don't pave the whole moon, you pave the places that matter. 5. Live underground. The cleanest lunar city is not a dome sitting on dust. It's inside the moon. Lava tubes and underground tunnels reduce dust exposure, add radiation protection, and create stable, controlled interiors. You still fight dust at entrances, but daily life happens in a cleaner environment. 6. Let robots do the dirtiest work. Mining, hauling, construction. Robots handle the dust outside. Humans supervise, repair, and expand from cleaner zones. The more automation you have, the more stable the city becomes. So could dust still stop civilization? If a settlement tries to live like it's on Earth, with constant outdoor activity, exposed machinery, and weak seals, yes, dust will grind it down. But a real lunar civilization will be built around dust from day one. So the real answer is this. Lunar dust won't stop civilization, but it will shape it. The moon's future cities won't be shiny glass domes on dusty ground. They'll be sealed, layered, scrubbed, paved, and mostly underground. Built around one rule: never let the moon inside your home. Because the moon doesn't need monsters to be dangerous, it already has one: dust. And if you forget that, the moon will remind you.